Good evening. This is Nelson, Daddy Nelson's blog at Nelson's TV Official. Alright? Or Daddy Nelson blog at NelTV-P8i. Guys, I have here the glow, the Kiopi glow. And this is how you're gonna use this. Alright? So first, I open it up. I scissor it, and then I have the hot water right here in this cup. Ito ilalagay ko tong Kiopi Glow. Si Kiopi Glow. Alright, and then I have to stir it with a spoon. Of course, throw this away, the garbage can. And of course, after stirring it, I have to taste it. Wow! Collagen coffee from Empowered Consumerism. Empowered Consumerism, baka naman! Ito, sarap pa. Ito po yan. Yung isa po yung natin plan ha. Ito po yan. No? It's a Kiopi Glow Collagen Coffee. Alright? Siguro, naghahanap ako doon sa market nito ulit. Pero kung gusto niyo order, just message me, okay? And I have, access how to order it. Okay? Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget, kung bago na kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to press the bell. Remember, this is Daddy Nelson Vlog at NelTV-P8i. And my first account is Nelson TV Official at Nelson TV Official. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsubaybay, sa inyong pong abang lingkod. Nelson Cabanag po. Thank you very much. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Bye. Peace be with you.